As you can see, this DPF, the flex pipe, completely broke off. It's not easy to heat up the bolts on some of these cars because you got so many things around it, the wiring and diesel exhaust fluid tube, so you're risking burning components when using a open flame torch. And then you got all these sensors that are on top of the DPF. Yeah, a lot of stuff that will need to be heated up as well. So now to get these temperature, so you got two temperature sensors and they like to get stuck in there. Same thing with this O2 sensor. I got a new toy. So this should solve my problem with the torch and heating the bolts. KKSEVENS magnetic induction heater kit. I can't wait to use this. Let's see what's in there. All right, little manual. Oh, nice! Look at that. Comes with bunch of attachments, bunch of different coils. You got a bunch of small ones, bigger ones. And these are the screws that will, you gotta tighten those when you attach it. Yeah, nice. All right, let's set it up and see what it does. All right, so I found one that fits through the sensor. So I'm gonna put it like this over the sensor. Now I'm gonna attach this one through it. Like this. Tie those nuts. You know, this is actually the first time I'm using this. I never used it before, so I apologize if I'm not doing something right, but I quickly read through the instructions and it seems pretty straightforward. And this is 17. Alright, plug it in. Oh, the fan scared me off a little bit. Alright, so the fan goes on automatically. I got my wrench, and here we go. Let's press the button and see what it does. Yeah, I see smoke starting to form. Let's and voila! Comes off quite easy. Alright, nice. What's nice is that I don't have to be worried that I'm gonna burn the plastic or any non-metallic surface, because it works with a magnetic field, so it heats up only steel parts or parts that are magnetic. It's interesting. Alright, now I can see it's getting red already. Nice, nice. And it comes off just like that. Beautiful. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I got some smoke coming out from the pipe. And that's from the inside. Okay, the coil is starting to get red. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's hot. Very nice. I'll show you that it's hot. Look at that. As you can see, the pipe gets very, very hot. It doesn't even have to be red hot like I'm used to with the torch. So I gotta be careful not to overheat things, because this thing works faster than I think, because I'm looking for that, you know, yellow or red glowing of the material that you get from using the torch. But looks like with this one you don't need to wait for that. You just need to warm it up and go. So it's definitely faster and safer, because you're not glowing everything. It's interesting how it works. By the way, this doesn't happen often that I will be able to lose all these sensors, especially on almost 10-year-old car. So I'm really happy with this product.